This will be a short review of the GateHouse single cylinder deadbolt. It's a grade 2 product. I picked this one up at Lowe's in Conroe, Texas back on February the 13th, 2017. Refer to my earlier video of the Kwikset single cylinder that I compared it to the Schlage B60N. This grade 2 product I think is a fairly decent product. The good is that it has this inset area here that keeps it stable in the door in case it's attacked with a hammer or pipe wrench or something like that. I do like that. I do like the fact that the tailpiece has been reinforced, because a lot of times that tailpiece is flat in a lot of these off-brand deadbolts, so that can cause a problem. They get twisted up inside and makes it hard to remove. The latch seems to be a fairly decent product. It's made of steel, so not too bad for a grade 3. It is adjustable. It is an adjustable product as well. So I would say that's the good. Oh, and I don't want to forget, they do have a drill plate. So this is a big difference between this grade 3 product and the Kwikset 660. So that's very important in case of a drill attack, because often the deadbolt is attacked through the front with a drill bit, and these bolts sit right behind here. Drill bit goes through and it backs out the mounting bolt. This keeps that from happening. So that's the good. As far as a picking attack goes on this, the lock body itself just has regular pins in it. I did notice that I'll do a Defiant video later on, but I noticed that the Defiant deadbolts, which is the Home Depot house brand, this is the Lowe's house brand, GateHouse, has spool pins in it. Makes it a lot harder to pick and near impossible to bump. Overall, I would choose this product versus the Kwikset product. They're the same price point. Actually, I think this one's about $4 cheaper, and if you're going to be putting cheap locks on rent houses or something like that, I would choose this one over the Kwikset 660. I'll review the Defiant deadbolt, that is this one's direct competitor from Home Depot, on another video. I'm Roger. I'm with Rekey Express Locksmith.